guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's the end of the day. I'm a little bit tired even though I didn't do much today. I wanted to show you guys how I maintain my braid out since I showed you my braid out routine. It's very simple and quick. First of all, I do like pineapple method. My hair is not like long enough where I can put it in a top pineapple on top of my head. So I use small pineapples using these scrunchies on my arms. They're a little bit stretched so they don't leave kinks in my hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly show you guys how I put my hair in the pineapple so I can go to sleep and to preserve the shape of my hair. And tomorrow morning I'll show you guys how I refresh my braid out for day 2 hair. So keep me company, swear they holding on my feet, but they not under me. The fumes on. So as you can see, I don't really know the parting business back here, but I don't try to separate anymore just because I want to preserve the curl pattern of my braids. So because I don't want the middle part in my head, I normally split it horizontally. So I could have just done it in one, but because I want to avoid my hair creasing and plus I want the back of my hair to be a little bit more fluffy, I do that. So this is how I preserve the part in the front and how I do the back. Now that's done, I'll apply my satin scarf. And you're probably wondering if my hair doesn't get squished. Sometimes it does, depending how I sleep. Normally I fall asleep on the sides of my face, so that's how I sleep with my arm like this or like this, literally. I don't wanna be left alone. Oh no. And it will stay like that for most of the night. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning where I'll show you how I refresh it so it looks like a nice braid out. Hey, good night. So I'm about to head out to go do some grocery shopping and I'm gonna show you guys how I refresh my braid out. So I did sleep on my hair and some of it got squished, but we're gonna see what we can do. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the scrunchies out of my hair. Okay, let's hope this doesn't look too bad. Anyways, I just go ahead and just fluff my hair, just like pulling it apart. And I'm trying, well, not so gently, but I'm trying not to like mess up the natural curl pattern of the braid out. Just fluffing the roots and fluffing my hair out. So I think I fixed it the best that I could and it still kind of looks fresh, especially on this side. That's it for the video. Don't forget to bust a like and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Become a part of the squad. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. And that's right.